In law enforcement, it is going to be proactive. In government, it was going to be proactive. Everywhere it is a proactive technology, but everything has two sides. Okay, let's use it for the benefit of humanity and solve humanitical problems which are there, solve hunger problem, solve all the human problems which are there, animal problems are there with AI. So philosophy, since anti-get the science fiction and futurology has been also suggested that it's like a lot of issues and potential and essential risk. AI may become an external risk to humanity, and it is going to take over humanity. Okay, it was like it will learn how humans behave and other things are there. They are going to take control. But I think artificial intelligence is a tool. How you're using it, it's like fire. You use fire to cook the food, and same fire you can use to burn somebody. So how you're using the tool, it would depend on that, and that is how everything has evolved. Every innovation has both sides. So how we are going to use it, so let's be optimistic about AI use solving the problems of the world,